You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, this is an actual word. It's famous now for being the name of an AI, artificial intelligence model, but it's actually a word originally, meaning something that is autonomous, can do something by itself, and it's pronounced as agentic. I put the phonetic spelling on your screen. Jen, you know Jen, like Jen, Jennifer, Jen, agentic. Stress on that Jen syllable. How to pronounce agentic. English pronunciation, agentic. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.